Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to install Ubuntu 24.04 LTS on VirtualBox in Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL ubuntu.com. Then click on Products and select Ubuntu Desktop and then download Ubuntu for Desktop ISO image. Click here to download Ubuntu 24.04 LTS ISO image. I already have downloaded it on my machine. After a successful download, open VirtualBox. If you don't have installed VirtualBox on your system, you will find a link in video description how to install Oracle VirtualBox on Windows operating system. Click on New to create a virtual machine. I am going to name it Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Then select ISO image. Click on this drop down list, select Others, and then select Ubuntu 24.04 LTS desktop ISO image. Open. Okay, now skip unattended installation option, then click on Next. Now increase the base memory size as much as possible and then increase the number of CPU as much as possible. Then click on Next. Now create a virtual hard disk. You can increase this size. Click on Next. Now click on Finish. Now open Settings. Increase the video memory. You can maximize this. Okay, and then select Expert tab. Enable 3D acceleration and enable extended features, and also select graphics controller VMS VGA from this drop down list. Okay, then click on OK. Now start the virtual machine. Now select try or install Ubuntu option, hit enter. You can enable full screen mode. You can exit full screen mode by pressing right Ctrl plus F. I am going to enable a scaled mode. Okay, now choose your language, then click on Next. Click on Next. Now select your keyboard layout. Click on Next. I don't want to connect to the internet right now. You can skip this option. Now select the second option, try Ubuntu, then click on Close. Now double click on this icon, install Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS to begin the installation. Okay, now choose your language. Click on Next. Select keyboard layout. Click on Next. Skip. Now select the first option, interactive installation. Click on Next. Select the first option, then click on Next. You can check this box, then click on Next. If you are a new Linux user, select the first option. Otherwise, select second option, then click on Next. and select the free space and create a show off area. Now select the free space and then click on plus sign, create a new partition, select the mount point and select the file type ext4, then click on OK. Now select the VirtualBox hard disk and then click on next. And if you are new user, select the first option, then click on next and create your account. So enter your name, also enter your computer name, enter your username, then choose a password, enter the same password again to confirm password, then click on next. Now select your time zone, then click on next. Click on install button. It may take a while for installing Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS. Installation complete. Click on restart now button. That's it. Now click on the user and then enter the password. Hit enter. Now do the initial setup and enjoy Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this video.